The arrival of the 21st century brought with it what is known as the Dotcom bubble period, a period with high expectations that didn't turn out to be what was expected. It was anticipated that the year 2000 would bring a boom in the information technology industry, but it didn't. Hi, I'm Ramon Tarruella, and in this video I'm going to teach you the story of how copywriting for SEO changed the internet. During the height of this internet bubble, the world realized that the internet needed a specific changing when it was about the content that was being published. From 1996 to the year 2000, what is known as SEO or search engine optimization began to develop until it became common within the internet technology industry. The reason for this was because the internet was becoming very popular.
Yes!
Increasing website and the proliferation of search engine during the dot-com bubble. Search engine began to increase quickly during the dot-com bubble because the number of websites increased as well as the amount of content available. This content was made up of relevant and irrelevant content. All these websites had to make sure that their content was adequate to compete and thus to be able to have many visitors frequently. During those 4 years from 1996 to 2000, what is known as SEO copywriting hadn't been created yet. Optimizing search engine website was very straightforward. You only had to create what is known as meta tags, which are the title, the description, and the keywords. The URL of the website was entered into the search engine submission page so that the search engine will add it to a list. At that time, what mattered was achieving a high ranking of website to obtain many visits. It was thought that it would be possible to generate many sales just by sending many people to a site. The appearance of internet marketing in the year 2000. As internet marketing appeared after the year 2000, the focus changed. Website ranking became dependent on other variables. These variables were focused on the keyword density of the content of the article or a web page. At the same time, the effectiveness of calling users to take action and generate sales became important.
Yes!
It was understood that to create sales, it was necessary to have many visitors to a website and know how to guide the visitor to take action and make the sale. The focus on how to write for the web had to be changed. Content rich in keywords and captured the attention of the reader. Today, search engines recognize the importance of content-rich keywords. The articles written for the web must have adequate use of the keywords within the text and the density. Likewise, articles should be written so that they capture the reader's attention until they take it to take action.
Yes!
The copywriter changes the content for the web. The copywriting figure became vitally crucial in writing or adapting articles optimized for search engines since the year 2000. The copywriter is sometimes called the ghostwriter, since his name will not necessarily appear in the article's publication even if he has totally or partially written the article. Its function is to write and modify articles to be optimal for the search engines in order to create for the writing. The final result is considered an article of the website intellectual and legal property where the content is published. The copywriting process shapes the content of an article so that it manages to capture the reader's attention and thus bring it to a point where he or she takes action. Online businesses use copywriting for SEO. Online businesses use these optimized copywriting articles to sell their products and services effectively. That's why it is interesting that you can create your website or business online.
Yes!
If you know how to make a good SEO content strategy using copywriting, you will gain many clients and generate many sales. You will have enormous potential for generating income online once you know how to use article writing optimized for search engines, copywriting, and internet marketing tools. These facts are why SEO techniques and copywriting are said to form the modern concept of what is known as internet marketing.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.